Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Utsav Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So finally I have reached 400 subscribers. So last time I checked it was 403 to be precise, and I decided to do a giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be a diamond painting. Of course it's going to be a diamond painting. One of you lucky winners will win this diamond painting, and I will show you the photo in a minute. I'm not going to open this package because I don't want to take chances of messing it up, and my experience in putting it back the way it was packaged is very bad, and I never can put it exactly the same way that I got it from the seller. So I don't want to do that because when I ship it out, I don't want to mess it up. So I decided that once I reach 500 subscribers, which we are 97 subscribers away, it's not that big, and I'm really happy that you guys have been there, supported me. All these new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Old subscribers, I've always been mentioning that you have been there to support me from day one, and I'm really appreciative of that. And so I decided that when we hit the 500 subscriber mark, I want to do something for you guys, because you are the ones who make my channel and help, because when you support me, I'm able to put out more videos. I'm able to do more stuff for you guys, and it's not because I could not do this without your help. So when we hit the 500 subscriber mark, I am going to give this diamond painting out, and let me show you the picture. Let me pull it up on my phone. Okay, so this is how it looks like right here, and I ordered it from Amazon. So this painting is called Romantic Canvas Wall Decor Two Birds Lover. And again, one more time, let me just pull this up, zoom it, and it looks something like this. And this painting is 11 inches by 15.7 inches. So it's a small painting. It is a full drill kit, and I am trying to see if it's round or square. See, it would be easier if I could just open the package, but I don't want to do that because I know I can't put it back the way it is. And I'm trying to see, they just said it just says it's full drill, but it doesn't say if it's round or square. Well, let me okay. From what I see, like, I feel like, because on this right here, if you guys can see back down in the corner, it looks like they are square drills, but it doesn't mention anywhere in the description whether it's square drill or round drill. So I'm not 100% sure, but that I'm really sorry about that. I didn't check and I was not prepared for that. So it is an 11 inch by 15.7 inches painting. It's full drill for sure, and I don't know if it's square or round, but according to the picture it looks like it is the square drill. So that's about it. The rules to enter the giveaway is: 1, you have to be 18 years of age and older. 2, you have to be in United States. Currently I cannot post outside United States. I haven't done that before, and I haven't figured out yet, but definitely when we do more future giveaways, when I do more future giveaways, I will definitely try and incorporate everybody and try to work with that. But for now, this giveaway is open to subscribers in United States. Number 3, the rule number 3 is that you need to be a subscriber to my channel. And then the rule number 4, that is the last rule, you need to comment below in the description anything. I'm not making a specific sentence or something. I just want you to comment. I just want you to get excited about it. I just want you to be happy and tell me. If you want, you can go watch my other videos and comment about them on here, or whatever, like which video, which painting you like, which painting you did not like, what tips and tricks you have for me, anything. You just leave me a comment down in the comment section for this video, and you will go into the drawing for the diamond painting here. Also, if you want to get an additional entry in the diamond painting giveaway, you can go ahead and follow me on my Facebook page, Emmanuel Arts, and I will link it in my description below, so you can check that out for an additional link to my Facebook page. I don't have that much on there yet, but I'm trying to see if I can make regular updates about my diamond paintings and post photos and everything. I just want you guys to understand I am still new in diamond painting. I haven't done that much, so I do a lot of other crafts, but diamond painting I am fairly new, but it has opened up a whole new venture for me, and I'm really getting excited about it. So yeah, definitely check out my Facebook video and follow me there, just to get an extra entry into the drawing. So that's about it, guys. There's nothing complicated, nothing unique, just like every giveaway that you might have seen on other channels. Just a simple one. I haven't opened it up to all of y'all yet, but definitely on my next giveaway I will try and open it up for everybody. So thank you so much, guys. Once again, I am really grateful for all of y'all who are my subscribers, who keep watching my videos, and all your comments. I really appreciate them. It means a lot to me when I see your comments. Even if I'm at work and I just peek my phone and I see your comments, it just makes my day. No matter how bad my day is at work or at home, when you guys comment, it just makes my day. It brings a smile to my face. So I'm really appreciative of all your comments, all you subscribers, and I just want to do something for you guys. So this diamond painting is a way of me saying thank you to you all for all your support. So thank you so much, guys, once again. I hope you like this video, so give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, so if they are interested in diamond painting just as you are or I am, they can also be participant in this diamond painting giveaway. And also don't forget to comment below to get an entry in the giveaway, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, to enter the contest and enter the giveaway actually, and also to stay in the loop for all the new videos that I post. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.